birth anniversary after the hundreds of years. So many years are passed now. Still we celebrate his birth anniversary with great joy and happiness. Why? He was a great king. He was a great human being. Right? So Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was a bravest and most inspiring king in Indian history. He was born on 19th February 1630 at Shivneri Fort in Maharashtra. His mother Jijabai played a very important role in shaping his character. She told him stories from the Ramayana and Mahabharata and taught him the values like courage, honesty, and justice. His father, Shahaji Bhosle, was also a brave warrior. From a young age, Shiva learned speech. So let's start from standard first. Standard first, Adnya Kohli. Adnya Kohli, come here to deliver your speech.
महाराष्ट्राच्या मातीला स्वाभिमानाने जगायला शिकवले. शिवाजी महाराज केवळ नाव नाही तर एक ऊर्जा आहे, एक विचारधारा आहे आणि या देशाचा सर्वात मोठा इतिहास आहे. 19 फेब्रुवारी 1630 या सोनियाच्या दिनी शिवनेरीवर तोफांचा कडकडाट झाला. सनई चौघडे वाजले. मासाहेब जिजाऊच्या पोटी बालशिवरायांचा जन्म झाला. भगवाटीला चंदनाचा शिवनेरीवर प्रकटला. असा एक शिवाजी राजा होऊन गेला. शिवराय हे नाव घेताच अंगात ऊर्जा संचारते. नीतिमत्तेच्या जोरावर औरंगजेबाने आदिलशाहीला गुडघे टेकायला लावणारा तो एकच योद्धा होता, ते म्हणजे छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज. सिंहाची चाल, गरुडाची नजर, स्त्रियांचा आदर, शत्रूचे मर्दन असेच असावे मावल्यांचे वर्तन ही छत्रपती शिवरायांची. स्टँडर्ड फर्स्ट. आय एम अ शिवकाव्या. इंद्रजन्मी जंबबर, बाडवसु वंबबर, रावणसो दंबबर, रघुकुले राजे, पवनपरी भापर, संपुरती धापर, जोसासो आपर, रामधीर राजे, दावात वृंदबर, चिता झुंडबर, भूषण मी तुंडबर, जैसे विगराजे, तेजतम हंसबर, कंदजिमी कंसबर, कोमली चमसबर, से शिवराजे. जय भवानी, जय शिवराय. to say शिवगर्जना. आस्ते कदम, आस्ते कदम, आस्ते कदम. महाराज, गणपती, भूपती, गजापती, सुवर्ण रत्न श्रीपती, अष्टवदान जागृत, अष्टप्रधान वेष्णित, नायालंकान मंतित, राजनीतीन धुरंधर, पौडवता पुरंदर, क्षत्रिय कुलावतांस, सिंहासनाधीश्वर, महाराजाधिराज, श्रीमंत, 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 श्री 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 छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज की जय. धर्मी छत्रपती संभाजी महाराज की जय. राजमाता जिजासाहेबांचा जय. नमो पार्वतीपते. हर हर. छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज, he was brave, kind king. His mother name was Jijabai. He was born on 19th February 1630. She taught him good values. We celebrate his birth anniversary on Swarajya. He born on 19th February 1630. His mother name was Jijabai Bhosle. His father name was Shahaji Raje Bhosle. His full name was Shahaji, and we celebrating Shiv Jayanti. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was a great king of Marathi Samrajya. He born on 19th February 1630. His mother name was Jijabai Bhosle and his father name was Shahaji Raje Bhosle. He is dead on 3rd April 1680. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Today I am going to say few lines about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Jayanti. Shiv Jayanti is celebrated every year on 19th February. It is the birth anniversary of king of Maratha Empire. He was born on 19 February 1630 to Jizabai and Sahaji Bhosle. Shivaji Maharaj was a great hero and warrior. He was founder of Maratha Empire. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. Shivaji Maharaj was great king is our Maharashtra. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj fight is Mughal Empire. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj born in Shivneri Fort in 19 February. Shivaji Maharaj
at Shivneri Fort in Maharashtra. His father name was Shahaji Raje Bhosle. His mother name was Jijabai Bhosle. He had a brave king and he established Swaraj in Maharashtra. He founder Maratha Empire. He fight against great ruler of our Maharashtra. He was born on 19 February 1630 at Shivneri Fort in Pune, Maharashtra. He was a great person for us while he established Hindvi Swaraj for us. His father name was Sahaji Raja and his mother name दीप चंद्र लेखे व वर्दी विष्णुत वंदिता शाह सुनो शिव जैसा मुद्रा भद्राय राजते. Good evening all of you. My name is Jasmine Kalyan Patil of Standard 5th. Today I am going to speak few lines about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was one of the greatest king of Indian history. He was born on 19 February 1630 at Shivneri Fort in Pune, Maharashtra. His father's name was Shahaji Bhosle and his mother's name was Jijabai. Shivaji Maharaj's birthday is celebrated as Shiv Jayanti or Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Jayanti. His battle technique called as Ganimi Kawa. He was the founder and creator of the Maratha Empire in India. I should like to say few Marathi lines about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. नेतृत्व त्याच्या हाल ते छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज होते. समृद्ध लेखनाची जलती मशाल होते. परक्रिय बंदिवास श्रापित देश होता. पण आग केसरीचा एकेक लेख होता. त्याच गर्जनेने जागा समास झाला. उद्या भारतात स्वतंत्र सूर्य.
great king and brave warrior. He was born on 19 February 1630 at Shivneri Fort in Maharashtra. His father name was Sahaji Raje and mother name was Jijabai Bhosle. He was the founder of Maratha Empire. He also built
विजयसारखी तलवार चालून गेला. निधल्या छातीनं हिंदुस्तान हरपून गेला. वाघ नकाने अफजल खानाला फाडून गेला. मूठभर मावल्यांना घेऊन हजारो शैतानांशी लढला. स्वर्गात गेल्यावर देवाने ज्यानं झुकून मुजरा केला असा एक मर्द मराठा माझा शिवबा होऊन गेला. Good evening to everyone. My name is Kavya Kishore Patil from Standard 6. Today we are gathered here to celebrate Shiv Jayanti, the birth anniversary of the greatest king of India, Shri Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj was born on 19 February 1630 at Shivneri Fort in Junnar city. He was the founder of Maratha Empire. He was also called Shivba by his mother Jijamata. Jijamata taught Shivaji Maharaj to always fight for right no matter what challenge you face. The battle technique of Shivaji Maharaj is called Ganimi Kawa. Now I say some few lines in Marathi. छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज म्हणजे कोण? छत्तीस हत्तींचे बल असणारे. त्रस्त मुघलांना करणारे. परत न फिरणारे. तिन्ही जग जाळणारे. शिस्तप्रिय असणारे. वाणिज्य तेज. जिजाऊंचे पुत्र. महाराष्ट्राची शान. हार न मानणारे. राज्याचे हितचिंतक. जनतेचा राजा. Shahaji Raje gave royal seal Raj Mudra to Shivaji Maharaj at the age of 12. Pratibha Chandra Lekheva Vardishnu Vishwavandita Shahasuno Shivasresha Mudra Bhadraya Rajate. He built strong navy, making him the father of Indian Navy, and built and restored about 300 forts to secure his kingdom. His bravery was very legendary, particularly when he defeated the mighty Afzal Khan of Adil Shahi and then cut out the 3 fingers of Shaista Khan and then later evaded the clutches of Aurangzeb of Agra. He established the Ashtapradhan council of 8 ministers. Now, at last, by finishing my speech, I am saying some lines in Marathi. भगवामचा झेंडा भगव्यांचे रक्त, भगवामचा झेंडा भगव्यांचे रक्त, प्राण देऊन राखतो मी स्वराज्याचे तख्त, प्राण देऊन राखतो मी स्वराज्याचे तख्त, सळसळत राहू दे मर्द मराठ्यांचे रक्त, सळसळत राहू दे मर्द मराठ्यांचे रक्त, आम्ही फक्त आणि फक्त शिवशंभूंचे भक्त, आम्ही फक्त आणि फक्त शिवशंभूंचे भक्त. छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांचा विजय असो. धर्मवीर छत्रपती संभाजी महाराजांचा विजय असो. हर हर
February 1630 at Shivneri Fort. His mother name is Rajmata Jijabai and his father name is Shahaji Raje Bhosle. He was the founder of Maratha Empire. He always believed in justice and equality. He died on 3rd April 1680 at Raigad Fort in Maharashtra. His life is inspiration for all of us. At last, I will say few lines in Marathi. सिंहासारखा गरजला तो शिवबा राजा होता, सिंहासारखा गरजला तो शिवबा राजा होता, स्वराज्याचे स्वप्न उराशी तो जिंकणारा होता, स्वराज्याचे स्वप्न उराशी तो जिंकणारा होता. धर्म न्याय प्रजेसाठी तलवारीचा वार केला, धर्म न्याय प्रजेसाठी तलवारीचा वार केला, शत्रूच्या छावण्यांवर वज्रासारखा प्रहार केला, शत्रूंच्या छावण्यांवर वज्रासारखा प्रहार केला. माता जिजाऊंच्या आशीर्वादाने पराक्रम त्याने गाजवला, माता जिजाऊंच्या आशीर्वादाने पराक्रम त्याने गाजवला, मराठ्यांच्या मातीसाठी जीव अर्पण करून गेला, मराठ्यांच्या मातीसाठी जीव अर्पण करून गेला. शौर्य स्वाभिमान अभिमान ज्यांच्या गाथा अमर आहेत, शौर्य स्वाभिमान अभिमान यांच्या गाथा अमर आहेत, ते छत्रपती शिवराय माझ्या हृदयात आहेत, ते छत्रपती शिवराय माझ्या हृदयात आहे. छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज की धर्मवीर छत्रपती संभाजी महाराज की राजमाता जिजाऊंचा थँक्यू. आस्ते कदम आस्ते कदम महाराज गणपती गजेश्वपती भूपती प्रजापती सुवर्ण रत्न श्रीपती अष्टवधान जागृत अष्टप्रधान वैश्रित न्यायालंकार मंडित शस्त्रात शास्त्र पारंगत राजनीती धुरंधर प्रौढ प्रताप पुरंदर क्षत्रिय कुलावतंस सिंहासनाधीश्वर महाराजाधिराज श्रीमंत 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 श्री 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 छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज की जय, छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज की जय, छत्रपती संभाजी महाराज की जय.
He was the founder of Swarajya and one of the bravest king in Indian history. As a teacher, I believe Shivaji Maharaj is a true role model for all students. From a young age, he had a big dream to create a kingdom where people could live with freedom and respect.
Today I am going to speak a few words about Shri Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was a great ruler and brave warrior. He was born on 19 February 1630, Shivneri Fort in Maharashtra. His father name is Shivaji Raje, Shahaji Raje Bhosle.
Here to celebrating the birth anniversary of the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was the great king. He was born 19 February 1630 at Shivneri Fort. His father name was Shahaji Raje and his mother name is Jijabai. Jijabai always tell them story like Ramayana and Mahabharata. After that he assigned the good teachers like Dadoji Kondev, the administration of the father of Pune Jagir.
हो एकच राजा इथे जन्मला शिवनेरी किल्ल्यावर, माझ्या देवाचं नाव गाजते गड किल्ल्याच्या दगडावर,
माझ्या राजाचं नाव गाजते गड किल्ल्याचे रगडावर. सुंदर स्वराज्य निर्माण केले तलवारीच्या धारेवर, तलवारीच्या धारेवर. रेतीसाठी वार झेलले आपुल्या निधड्या छातीवर, आपुल्या निधड्या छातीवर. प्राणपणाने लढले मावळे, प्राणपणाने लढले मावळे भरोसाच्या राजावर. माझ्या देवाचं नाव गाजते गड किल्ल्याचे दगडावर, माझ्या राजाचं नाव गाजते गड किल्ल्याचे दगडावर. आठवण येते मना मनातून भगवा झेंडा दिसल्यावर, भगवा झेंडा दिसल्यावर. जात पात ना धर्म मानितो जगला माणुसकीवर, जगला माणुसकीवर. पुन्हा जन्म घ्या अशी इच्छा शिवभक्तांच्या हृदयावर, पुन्हा जन्म घ्या अशी इच्छा शिवभक्तांच्या हृदयावर. माझ्या देवाचं नाव गाजते गड किल्ल्याचे दगडावर, माझ्या राजाचं नाव गाजते गड किल्ल्याचे दगडावर. एकच राजा इथे जन्मला शिवनेरी किल्ल्यावर, हो एकच राजा इथे जन्मला शिवनेरी किल्ल्यावर. माझ्या देवाचं नाव गाजते गड किल्ल्याचे दगडावर, माझ्या राजाचं नाव गाजते गड किल्ल्याचे दगडावर. थँक्यू.